have everything I need. I have everything I need to proceed and succeed. I have everything I need. I have everything I need. I have everything I need, yeah, to proceed and succeed. I have everything I need. I have everything I need. I have everything I need to proceed and succeed. Yeah. I have everything I need. I have everything I need.
Oh my God, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Look. You secured the bins. Whoop, whoop. You ready to go. Whoop, whoop. And Bubba is leading the way. You driving? Say beep beep. Say move. Get out the way. Okay. And she's leaving on the midnight train to Georgia. And she's leaving on the midnight train to Georgia. I'm outie, y'all. Bye.
Bye-bye. Tata. Goodbye. Gaya.
Where's the fucking keys, bro? I do got the keys. I do got the keys. We looking good in here. We looking good in here. We're gonna get some pictures of the dash. I got the
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, y'all ready for this road trip? Let's go, y'all. We headed home, y'all. On the road again. I'm so happy I'm on the road again.
You are worthy of life.
Got my per-use, my hash browns. Well, this is not even my per-use, y'all. They messed up my order, but I had this before. It's still good. So instead of the steak hash brown bowl, they gave me steak sandwich and then hash browns. But it's still gonna be good. It's still popping or whatever.
Hold on. These days, I'm letting God handle all things above me. The things I can't change are the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place, I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all. Still finding myself, let alone a soulmate, I'm just saying. Feel like we one and the same, our relationship changed. That or it never existed. Whenever they say something about us, you listen. But fuck what they talking about on your timeline. That's cutting all into my time with you. Fuck what they talking about on your timeline. That's cutting all into my time with you. My time with you. 5 minutes slowly. She says you're my everything. I love you.
This is the first body of water I ever found here.
This is forever thing. Hate that I treat it like it's a whatever thing. Trust me, girl, this shit is everything to me.
Good morning.
She from the jungle. I take somebody else's car. Try to undercover. This shit is everything to me. This shit is everything. Don't know where we stand. I used to hit you about everything. Oh, oh we still good. Oh, we still good. Oh, we still good. Oh, we still good. If I need to talk, we move around. Are you down for the cause? Are you down? Are you down? Are you down? Are you down for the cause? Are you down? Are you down? Are you down? Are you down for the cause? You still down? You still down? She says you're my everything. I love you through everything. I done did everything to her. She forgave me for everything. This a forever thing. Hate that I treat it like it's a whatever thing. Trust me, girl, this shit is everything to me. She from the jungle. She from the jungle. I take somebody else's car. Try to undercover. This shit is everything to me. This shit is everything. Don't know where we stand. I used to hit you about everything. Oh, oh we still good. Oh, we still good. Oh, we still good. Oh, we still good. If I need to talk, we move around. Are you down for the cause? Are you down? Are you down? Are you down? Are you down for the cause? Are you down? Are you down?
This is the living room. And then we go over this way. That's the front door. You go in that way. We going this way now. Closet. Lights on. Closet. Then we got another bathroom right here with the tub. Okay, cool. I love it. Flush this toilet. Now we're going straight to this bedroom. Oh, this is perfect, bro. What the hell? This is another bathroom. It's another bathroom in here. Okay. We got 3 bathrooms. We flushing all the toilets. Let's see the whole room. Okay. Back this way. Then we got a bedroom right here. So these 3 bedrooms. Okay. So this one has carpet. Okay. Fucking it. Closet space. Okay, water heater. It's a nice little space right here. This is good for Bubba right here. This is the last room. It's my baby room. It's cute in here. Her bed, her own little space. Everybody got their own space. Closet. Okay. It's the backyard. Ooh. Do you not see the vision?
This shit is everything to me. This shit is everything. Don't know where we stand. I used to hit you about everything. Oh.
Maybe got a big game. Gated. I love it. I love the deck.
If I need to talk, move around. Are you down for the cause? Are you down?
My hood, mother, oh, it's good. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, a beautiful day for a neighbor. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? I love this for me. I'm riding down these familiar streets, feeling all nice and comfortable, feeling all happy to be back. Yeah!
Doing?
Are you breathing well? Are you eating well? Are you okay daily? And what time do you go to sleep at night? Because I'm here to help you, okay?
Guess what we're doing today, tribe?
Hey, simmer down, yeah? Yeah.
Yes, I'm most excited. What I love about this Goodwill location the most is they got 2. They got a regular Goodwill, right? And then they got next door a Last Chance. That's like final sales. And it'd be like cheaper than the regular Goodwill. And then on certain days, they'll have like stuff for a penny, stuff for $1, stuff for 50 cents. I love it. So we about to go thrifting. We about to go thrifting. This is the first place. I'm still in the movie truck and everything, but I just pulled up and I got some time to kill. So I was like, I'm going thrift. Okay, I need some retail therapy, and this place always does it for me. So let's go. Let's go blow a bag, tribe, and Goodwill, tribe. Let's go blow a bag. It's a beautiful day. I'm looking good. I'm feeling good, and I'm excited to be back home. Secure the Goodwill. I said I was coming in here to look, but that was a lie. Lie detector test determined that was a lie.
A bullshit. A bullshit. A bullshit. A bullshit.
But the bag is secure, and I got all this stuff for $30.
Clock it!
And that's with me rounding it up and doing my good deed and donating to kids that want to go to college, scholarships. But yeah, about to get some food. All right, y'all, so like I said, I'm headed to get something to eat, and I drove past one of my favorite spots I'm about to check out. You know, I'm excited. I'm gonna give me some chicken, y'all, of course.
Oh, really?
But it's a drive drive-through Chinese spot, yeah, and the chicken is hitting it. What town y'all know got a freaking drive-through Chinese store? Hold on, I'm about to pull up for y'all. I ain't even gotta get out. This chicken couldn't be so good. Who y'all know? Not the drive-through Chinese spot. Not the menu on the side. Yeah, all that. Mm-hmm. Yeah, these wings is banging. These wings is so good.
Mr. Genius Idiot. I love that.
Hi. I would like to place an order for 6 wings, please. Only 6 wings, yes. Y'all have hot sauce packets that I can have on the side? And
I'm all over the place. I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all. Still finding
yes,
myself,
thank you.
soulmate, I'm just saying. Feel like
Do you have cups of ice? Yeah, and that's it.
Whenever they say something about us, you listen.
Or ginger ale. So that's
What
what
they
ice.
talking about on your timeline? That's cutting all into my time.
Cash.
Fuck what they talking about on your timeline.
What do you want? I'll be back. Pay for this food. Thank you. Now we wait.
This a forever thing. Hate that I treat it like it's a whatever thing. Trust me, girl, this shit is everything. She from the jungle.
Got my medicine, y'all. Yeah, the different brand of ginger ale, it's like levels to ginger ale. Like sweeps, like my first choice will be sweeps, because this is going to get you together the quickest. And then it's Canada Dry. No, it's Canada Dry. No, actually, this is the least one. So sweeps is my last option. First option. Thank you. You gave me a shawl. I have one. Oh, shit. Thank you. This is good. But like I was saying, my first option, like if I'm having a little tummy ache or whatever, I'm gonna go to Seagram's. Seagram's is the strongest one. They're gonna get you together. So yeah, if you have a severe tummy ache, Seagram's. If that's not available, then Canada Dry, and then the last option is gonna be Sweeps. Sweeps is not as acid. It's not. It don't have a lot of acidity. It don't have a lot of acidity as Seagram's. Seagram's is the strongest. That's why I get you together the quickest. And then it's Canada Dry. Sweeps is more sweet to me. Like, I'll still use it. I'll still drink it to heal myself. But last option. So yeah, we're gonna test this chicken out real quick, y'all. Hold on, I'll be back. It feel good to be back in my city. I'm so excited to be here. I'm going to all my favorite places at my favorite parks. Yes. And y'all coming too. Yes, because we locked in, right? Oh boy. But yeah, y'all, let me park up real quick, and then I'm gonna let y'all see how good this chicken is. All right, y'all, chicken time. Try to get my setup together. So it's like tempura batter. If y'all ever had a shrimp tempura, if y'all eat sushi or whatever. But you see how crunchy? And I turned the car off and everything because I want y'all to hear this. It's hot. Just like I remember. Wait. All right, y'all. Welcome to my mukbang. But I'll be a good mukbanger. Funny thing about that is, I can watch that sometimes. But I have a, what you call it? Like your ick or your tick or your, like something that irritates you. You know how, like something that just icky, right? So what bothers me is when people be smaking. That instantly gets me mad.
Mr. Genius Idiot.
But when you mukbang, it's like you gotta snack, right? Because you need to add some more. But yeah, y'all, this chicken is good. I want to show y'all a drum. They give me a lot of these pieces. But they are nice and crunchy. I got my hot sauce pickles on the side because you know I like got spicy. Yeah. Yep, that's what the chicken is looking like. About to finish this and then we do the rest of the day. You know what else they be doing today? Making a mess. Like dragging it, like. But let me know if y'all want to see some mukbang content from me. Drop in the comments below because I'm open. I'm here to please you, baby, okay? So let me know in the comments what y'all want to see from me. And I got y'all. But yeah, I'm about to finish this chicken and I'm going to enjoy this beautiful day. Do y'all see the sun? Hold on. Yeah. Y'all see the sun. Y'all see the chocolate. Y'all see the me. Yeah, we out here looking good in these Georgia streets. So, I'm going to go ahead and finish my food. And I'll get back with y'all, okay? We about to pull up to my favorite spot, y'all. Do y'all know? Can y'all see it? Can y'all see it? Honey, I'm home. Don't know where we stand. I used to hit you about everything. Oh, we still good. Oh, we still good. I need to talk. Are you down for the cause? Are you down? Look at my friends, y'all. Oh my God, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Look. These days, I'm letting God handle all things above. The things I can't change are the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place. I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all. Still finding myself, let alone a soulmate. I'm just saying. Feel like we one and the same. Our relationship changed. Yeah, it never existed. Whenever they say something about us, you listen. Well, fuck what they talking about on your timeline. That's cutting on into my time. Fuck what they talking about on your timeline. I'm so happy to be right here. That's cutting on into my time. Y'all don't understand how happy I am. Y'all don't understand, like, this spot is very special to me. Like, I would come out here a lot and manifest. I did a lot of my readings out here. I would just come out here to get my mind right, get my spirit together. So this is very surreal. I cried a lot of tears in this spot. So give me a minute, y'all. It's very, it's very special to me. I love bodies of water. Yeah. Oh my God, why is he running? Do y'all see this nigga looking up on me like he know me, bro? I'm scared. Look how big he is. He following me. He following me. I'm scared, yo. I love animals, but they unpredictable. I don't want to do nothing that's gonna like make them crash out. So I stay away from them, but I do love them. But I don't get too close. I'm scared. Oh my God, this is so beautiful, y'all. And this is one of the main reasons why I love being in Georgia. Like, I am such a nature girl, and it's in my soul. So this right here, this peace and quiet. Y'all hear the birds? This is what I need in my life. Like, God is good. When I tell y'all, they been following me. I got in the car. He gonna come follow me. What's up? How you feeling today? You are so beautiful. Look at your feathers. They're like green. Yeah. What's up, Brody? How you feeling? You good out here? All right, big dog. Don't cause no trouble, okay? Have a good day, big dog. You really came over here to see how I was doing. This is a good sign. Look at him.